biggest difference is we and our estimates want to give you everything out there black and white. We don't want surprises. We don't want to have to come back and tell you, hey, look, yeah, the plan shows 1,000 square feet of concrete, but I only charge you for 500 square feet of concrete. That's a problem because they're short 500 square foot. And if my contract says 500, even though the plan shows more, these other guys will come back and charge you for the extra square footage. And that's just, it's wrong. It's not right. But these are issues that we have in our industry all the time. So that's a good reason why sometimes prices are different. Plus, sometimes we're bidding against a guy who's the one-man show business. And when you're a one-man show, it's hard to compete against somebody like that because they don't have overhead. Their overhead is their pickup truck. So seriously, when you have workman's comp and liability insurance and you're doing things right and you have a staff, things are going to cost more money, but you're going to get a company who's in the business, staying in the business, and going to be in the business versus somebody who's a fly-by-night that may not be here tomorrow. You don't know. You don't know, hey, next week, what's going to happen? Or if goes on vacation or if he's out of business, what's going to happen to my warranties? Who's going to be here to take care of me? So there's lots of reasons that would cause somebody else to be less expensive than one to another.